Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mirza Aman and today we are diving into something really cool. How to encrypt data using Node.js. So, what is encryption? Encryption is a key concept in cybersecurity and understanding it can help you keep your data safe from some like prying eyes. So let's get started. Some like prying eyes. So let's get started. First, we need to use Node.js built-in crypto module. So no need to install any external libraries. Okay, crypto comes pre-packaged with Node.js. Okay, let's import crypto module. Okay. Here we are importing the crypto module. So here's the crypto module. This module gives us all the tools we need to perform cryptographic operations, okay? Like encryption and decryption. Next, let's define the data we want to encrypt. For example, we will use a simple string, okay? But saying just a small string like hello world. Sorry, hello world. This string, okay, this string is a what type of string is this? This string is our plain text, okay? It's a plain text, meaning it's the encrypted data, okay? It's the unencrypted data that we want to protect. It's not protected now. It's a plain text and it is unencrypted. So we need to protect it. Now let's generate a random encryption key. Okay, we will be using the AES256 CBC encryption algorithm. It's an algorithm. There are so many type of algorithms. So here we are using AES256 CBC encryption algorithm, which requires a 256-bit key. Okay, 256-bit key. That's mean 32 bytes long. Okay, 256-bit and 32 bytes long. So let's generate. Okay, ads will be const encryption key. Sorry. So look at this. It will from the crypto module some random bytes will be generated and assigned to encryption key. Okay. So next we need to create an initialization vector or IV for short. The IV is used to ensure that even if the same data is encrypted multiple times with the same key, the resulting cipher text will be different each time. So I don't know the exact pronunciation for cipher text, okay? It's like cipher or cipher. Okay, so let's do that. Const IV is equal to assign const IV assign crypto. So const assign crypto create cipher IV AES. So here we need to assign our algorithm type, okay? AES hyphen 256 CBC encryption key and IV, okay? Okay, we are ready to encrypt our data. we will break this into two parts. Okay, first we will encrypt the main chunk of data, then we will finalize the encryption process. So let assume let encrypted data assign cipher dot update data here. So here cipher dot update. Okay, just look into this. Cipher dot update processes our plain text. Okay, it processes our plain text and converts it to encrypted data. Okay, while cipher dot final completes the final encryption and returns any remaining encryption bytes. Okay, we are sorting the final encrypted text in encrypted data. The final text will be assigned to encrypted data. So finally, let's print the encrypted data to the console. So log console.log just do some new line. So let's print the data. So let's print the encrypted data for hello world. You can change the string from here, so you can see the changes in encryption key. Okay, the end to encryption key for hello world is this. Okay, look at this, how many letters, how many integers are there. Okay, let's change the string to like JavaScript. Okay, and let's find the difference. Look at this, entirely different. See it. Okay, so that's it. So you have encrypted your first data in Node.js. So guys, encryption is a crucial skill for any developer, especially if you're working with sensitive information. Okay, so if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.